Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. I hope you guys are doing great. Long time no see. I feel this way because I'm actually filming after quite a few days. Last week I had just uploaded 2 videos. I usually upload 3 times a week. So let's see, hopefully this week I will do a little bit better. But anyways, today I'm back with another lipstick swatch video. Today we're going to talk about the Milani Amore Satin Matte lipsticks. I have been talking about them on and off for a while now. I think the first one I tried was probably around a year back. That's how long I have been raving about these liquid lipsticks. So today I thought, let me make a dedicated video. I have purchased a few more shades, so I'll show you the swatches as well and let you guys know about my thoughts on the formula, although I have already raved about the lipstick quite a bit. But anyways, let's do a dedicated video today. I hope you guys are interested. If you are, then please continue watching. So I have 5 shades of the Milani Amore Satin Matte lipsticks. If you have been here for a while, I have been raving about this lipstick since around a year or so, because last year when I had been to the US, Tanuja from Tanuja Space, she had sent me 2 shades and I had loved the formula, and that's how I basically got introduced to these lipsticks. And now they are also available here in Singapore, so if you want to get these lipsticks, you can go to Watsons. Wherever they are selling Milani, you can get these lipsticks. They have a pretty good shade range. Initially I thought most of the shades are not going to flatter my skin tone, but since I have seen them up close and up front, I realized that there are a lot of shades which will flatter our kind of skin tone as well. Today I have 5 shades. I think there are 2 more shades which will be quite flattering, 2 or 3 rather, I would say 3 more shades which will be quite flattering, but I don't want to buy any more. So I just have 5. So let's start with the packaging first. This is how the lipstick looks like. It's very similar to the Milani Amore Matte lipsticks, which I hate. I do not like that lipstick formula anymore. I used to like them at one point of time when matte lipsticks weren't like very common, so there were few things to choose from. So I used to like them at one point of time. I don't like them anymore. But the Milani Amore Satin Matte lipsticks I love. These are the kind of liquid lipstick formulas I prefer. So this is how the packaging looks like. If you have seen the Amore Matte, you are quite familiar with the packaging. It's a very similar packaging. This is the doe foot, a flat sort of a doe foot applicator. Quite easy to apply the lipstick with this doe foot applicator. The liquid lipstick formula is a little bit on the runny side, so when you apply it on the lips, it feels very liquidy, but it does dry down. It has like a runny, moussey sort of a texture, so just make sure you're just mixing it up and applying on the lips. After a point, it does dry down and settle down on the lips, but it's not uncomfortable. It doesn't dry down completely. There's a little bit of tackiness, so there will be transfer, and since it doesn't dry down completely, it's of course very comfortable. And I'm pretty surprised with how long wearing these lipsticks are as well, and they work pretty well under the mask too. So I am highly impressed by these lipsticks. If you don't mind transfer, you're going to like these lipsticks. These are very similar to the Colourpop Ultra Satin Lips, just that the texture of this lipstick is a little bit different, but the whole performance and the feel on the lips is very similar. And you guys know how much I used to love the Colourpop Ultra Satin Lips. They have been discontinued, so yeah, these are the next best thing. And I think the shade range of this entire lipstick range is pretty different. They have quite different unique sort of a shades which I haven't seen a lot, so you can definitely look into the Milani Amore Satin Matte liquid lipsticks. So that's my review. I will totally recommend them. I have recently done a video on the top most favorite liquid lipstick formulas, and this was there in that video as well. Enough talking, let me just quickly show you the swatches. First of all, this one which I'm wearing right now, this is the shade Revel. It's 06. It's, as you can see, it's a deeper purpley tone lipstick. It's more purple magenta than berry. And I'll also swatch it on the back of my hand. This is how the lipstick looks when you first apply it. Looks watery and runny, but it does dry down. You have to build up the lipstick a little bit to get full opacity, but once it dries down, you get a nice opaque coverage, so that is good. So this is the first shade, Revel. As you can see, the lipstick which I'm wearing right now, it has been around 30 minutes or so. It looks pretty matte. There is a little bit of transfer, not too much though, but there will be a little bit of transfer. The next lipstick is in the shade Indulge, which is 08. It's a really pretty shade. It's like a mauvey, nudie brown kind of a color. I used to think this is not going to flatter my skin tone, but it looks like a really pretty nude on my skin tone. This is the shade Indulge. So this is a more mauvey, pinky with a hint of brown. Next we have the shade 11 Elegant, which is one of my favorite shades of all time. I love this liquid lipstick. I love wearing this liquid lipstick. It's a very unique color. If you have access to Milani, then do check out this color. It's a great liquid lipstick. It's basically a more of a muted terracotta deep nude sort of a color. Here is the shade Elegant. So you can see it has reddish tones, terracotta. Even it has a more rosewood, deep rosewood tone. It's a very interesting shade, and it looks super flattering on our kind of skin tone. It looks like a very deep nude. Even if you're deeper than me, you can wear this lipstick and it will look like a more nude shade on your skin tone. If I have to recommend one shade from the entire line and you're close to my skin tone, I will definitely recommend Elegant. It's such a unique, pretty color. Next we have the shade Classic, which is one of the recent purchases I have made. I love this shade as well. This is also a mauvey shade, but it has a bit more purple to it than pink or brown. And mauves generally don't work on my skin tone that well, but this one definitely works on my skin tone, and it looks like a mauve tone, like a mauvey purpley tone. So this is the shade Classic. Here you go. This one is the shade Classic. You can see it has a little bit of that purpley tone along with the mauvey tone. This is also mauvey, but it has a lot more pink and a little bit brown. Next we have the shade 05 Velour or Velours, no, Velour, and this is a bright pink sort of a color, but it's not too berry nor it's too pink. It's more of a muted pink, and I love this pink as well. If you're a lover of muted pinks or muted rose, which are a little bit bright, you are going to like this. This is the shade 05 Velour, and this is how it looks like. Look at that tone. It's so pretty. You can see it's bright, but it's not extra bright. Okay, the more I look at these colors, the more I'm getting confused which ones will I recommend. Definitely recommend the pink too. It's such a beautiful, pretty, like a reddish rosy pink tone. So beautiful. I love this. And also the shade Elegant. And if you're looking for nudes, there are two mauvey nudes as well. And if you like purple, then that's what I'm wearing right now, Revel. So yeah, those are the 5 shades I have. I will highly recommend this liquid lipstick formula. There are 2 more shades which are also flattering, the red and the deep red shade, which I haven't purchased. So if you have used them, then just do let us know in the comment section below. Other than that, I hope this video was helpful and you liked it. If you liked it and it was helpful, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Wow, thumbs up. And if you're watching for the first time, I really hope you'll consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again really soon in my next video. Bye.